Hello my subscribers and viewers, welcome back to my video, and today I'm going to be making Eggy in the Basket from the movie For Vendetta. I know it's an old movie, but I really want to try making one. Now here holding the camera is my mom. Say hi.
Hiya.
Yeah, and she's going to be instructing me in how to make it. So I like Eggy in the Basket like so much, so I'm just going to bring 2 breads.
Okay.
And I'm going to use this, what do you call it?
I don't know, it's for
I'm going to call
donut.
it circle. Okay. Now use the circle to cut the middle right here. Like, this is my first time making it, by the way, so yeah. Okay. Is this good? Okay.
You need to push it hard.
Okay.
Hold it when you push.
Done. Also, if you want, guys, you can eat the bread. It's good. Okay. One. Okay. Now, what do I do next? Egg. Next, you need 2 eggs. Doesn't matter what kind. Then I need a bowl.
Ready the other one? Yep. Good. Now put the bread in the oil.
Okay. Put the bread in.
1 bread.
Then what?
Wait till it's coming red little bit. You're just waiting
Okay.
for just a few seconds.
So wait, guys, I'll be right back to you. You can now. Okay, guys, then you flip it over. You see how simple that is? It's like you just flip it over, wait for it to go red. Am I right? Just wait for it to go like red. Don't know how or why, but then after that, I don't know. But you know how to flip over. So I'll be right back to you. Okay, guys. Now you bring 1 egg. Now what do I do? Okay. I just crack. Also, guys, I'm not really good at like crack open the egg. Hold on.
In the middle, Mama.
Okay. Now, then I wait for it to cook. Fine, this has been going great, guys. This is going great. Now we just watch steam. I actually felt some of the steam in my hand. Then my mom's gonna flip it over. I think. Oh, and then you guys can see the back. It's brown. I'm not racist, but yeah. It looks nice already. Starts to look good. Now she's gonna bring a plate. Okay, then she's gonna flip it over, I think, onto the plate. And voila! It doesn't look so good. The other attempt she did was great. So it doesn't really look the same as the egg in a basket. But yeah. So now guys, now you see how to make egg in a basket from For Vendetta. I've actually my mom cooked for me egg in a basket a bunch of times before. It was so good. It made me super full so fast that I don't feel like eating another food like stuff. And it was so delicious. So if you want, guys, this is the tutorial on how to make egg in a basket. There could be other videos, but I just like making it because I thought that might get me more views. What do you think of this video, Mama?
Perfect.
You see, it's perfect, guys. And if you want, guys, you can do it this way. You can just press down the bread so it can get more bun really quickly. It's like simple. So you see, my mom is a genius at like making egg in a basket. It's like she's been in the movie and made the perfect egg in a basket like once. And it makes it like this. You see, guys? So that's all, guys. Now you've seen how to make egg in a basket. Maybe you would like to try it for yourself. Trust me, it's delicious. I tried it a lot. So yeah, hope this video turns out great for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you love it, please spank that subscribe button and the ass like a boss Septiceye. I noticed this little green thing. Oh, it's just nothing. And if you like this video, please slap the like button in the face like a boss Septiceye. And if you want to send me a comment, please yell at the comment below. Make sure it is bleeding. Send your comment straight to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Boom.